Let's talk about transactions on Solana. A transaction is an envelope. Inside it, you put one or more instructions. Each instruction tells the network what to do, send the transaction, and the runtime processes every instruction in order. Transactions are atomic. If any instruction fails, the entire transaction rolls back, all or nothing. Every transaction has two parts: signatures and a message. Signatures. An array of 64-byte signatures. Each account that needs to sign provides one. The first signature belongs to the fee payer, and it doubles as the transaction ID. The message. This is where the actual content lives. It has four fields. Header. Three numbers that tell the runtime how many signers the transaction needs, and which accounts are read-only. Account keys. An ordered array of every account address the transaction touches. The order matters. Signers and writable accounts come first. Recent block hash. A hash that acts as a timestamp. It expires after about 60 seconds. This prevents duplicates and replay attacks. Instructions. An array of compiled instructions. Each one references accounts by their index in the account keys array, not by their full address. One more thing. Transactions have a hard size limit of 1,232 bytes, designed to fit inside a single network packet. Transactions on Solana. An atomic envelope for your instructions.